Hi everyone. By now you should have done our sound lesson. So we're going to continue with our game this week, What's in the Bag, but I have added our letter sound and a few words with the sound in it. Are we ready? I'm going to put them in my bag and we're going to sing our song. Are you ready? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? We all want to know what's in the bag. What sound have I got here? This is a g, g, g sound. Beautiful. See what else in our bag? Are you ready? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? We all want to know what's in the bag. What sound is this one? This is our sound. Amazing. Let's see. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? We all want to know what's in the bag. What sound is this one? Oh, it's our new sound. It's Beautiful. Let's give it another shake. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? We all want to know what's in the bag. Oh, I've got a word here. I've got one of our CVC words. Let's sound it out together. S. Oh. Sun. S. Oh. Sun. Beautiful. Should we give it another shake? What's in the bag? What's in the bag? We all want to know what's in the bag. Oh, I've got another CVC word. Let's have a read of this. Let's sound it out together. K. Oh. P. Cup. K. Oh. P. Cup. Beautiful. Well done. Thank you for lots of lovely lessons this week. Hope you have a good weekend.